How to see your grades. To see your scores for the various lessons, quizzes, and assignments that you complete in the course, click on the Grades link at the top of the page. Here you can see your scores for all of the lessons and the quizzes and so on. And as you can see, this isn't arranged in the same way as the course outline, although the values are the same. And that's because there's simply so many lessons that it would be hard to understand your scores and how you're doing. So instead, we've organized these results around the modules. So you can see here are the scores in the lessons for Module 1 Grammar Basics, and the score on the quiz, and the overall score for that module. There is a delay of several minutes between the time when you complete a lesson and the time when the grade shows up in Grades. Also, please remember that results for quizzes and assignments don't appear until after the instructor has marked the quiz or assignment and released the grades. Although you can find a summary of your scores in Grades, you can't see the details of how you did on a quiz or assignment. To find out more about how you scored on a quiz, click on Quizzes. On the left, you'll see a list of all the quizzes in the course, and on the right, you'll see the number of attempts that you have made out of the number allowed. So 0 out of 1 means you haven't done that quiz yet. To see your results for the grammar quiz, for example, click on the drop-down arrow beside the name and choose Submissions. Now we can see that you've made one attempt and you have a score of 18 out of 20. To see the details, click on Attempt 1. Now we can see your quiz. Here are all of the questions and the answers that you gave. It doesn't show the correct answers, but it does show how many points you received for each item, which you can use to determine whether or not you got that question correct. To see details of your assignments, click on Dropbox at the top of the page. In Brightspace, Dropbox just means assignments. Here you'll see a list of the assignments in the course and your score, and underneath feedback you'll see View. So for the writing process assignment, if I click on View, here I can see the assignment that I initially published or that I initially submitted. The assignments in this course are graded using a rubric, so here is the rubric that was used for evaluation. And if there was any feedback from the instructor, that would be typed at the bottom. Also at the very bottom it says Attached Files, and that could be the marked copy of the assignment that the instructor is returning to you.